guys, welcome back to YouTube channel Medicoz.
I am Kayan.
And I am Kiana, and today we'll be telling you how to score full marks in physics NEET.
Well, physics is a very important subject. As you all know that bio, it will help you to qualify NEET, but physics, it will determine whether you will get a government college or a private college in medical. You should have your concepts clear in physics and you can have a maximum gain out of it via repeated revisions. And you should also know when and where to apply the concepts when asked in the particular question. Also, you won't be able to solve 45 questions in 45 minutes in physics as you were able to do like 90 questions in 90 minutes or less than that in bio. So you will require more time in physics and that's why you should have a proper time management while solving physics questions.
Though last year's question paper was very tough, but don't fear physics. All you need to do is read the NCERT. A lot of concepts are hidden in the exemplars and questions given in the book. While reading NCERT, make sure that you make a separate formula book in which you jot down all the formulas from 11th and 12th NCERT books, and in a very concise way. This will be helpful while you revise your concepts during the end time. And in NEET, if you see, a lot of direct questions, conceptual questions are asked. Only 2 or 3 questions are very tough, which are usually the tiebreaker questions. Otherwise, the questions are very easy. They are theory based, numerical based, and conceptual questions in and all. And don't make the mistake of practicing a lot of tough mathematical type of questions, because most of the time conceptual questions are asked and basic questions, theory based basic questions are asked.
Well, as you all know that there is a major jump from class 10th to 11th syllabus. 10th में जो सिर्फ एक साइंस सब्जेक्ट था वही 11th में आके फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री और बायो 3 अलग सब्जेक्ट्स में हो गया. So it is usually very difficult to cope at all the 3 subjects at the same time. So when you enter class 11th, the first thing that they teach you is basic maths. And basic maths, it is important because differentiation, integration, ये सब चीज़ें आपको और सभी चैप्टर के क्वेश्चंस में यूज होगी. एंड पीपल दे डोंट डू इट प्रॉपरली एंड देन दे से दैट द चैप्टर्स आर डिफिकल्ट, बट एक्चुअली योर कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर नॉट क्लियर बिकॉज योर बेसिक मैथ इट इज वीक. Well, in class 11th, the chapters like mechanics and SHM, they are important, and in class 12th, the chapters like ray optics, wave optics, and atoms and nuclei, they are important as a lot of questions are asked from these chapters. So you need to practice the questions from these chapters very rigorously for NEET, and a lot of questions are linked in class 11th and class 12th, so you need to have crystal clear concepts so you can connect the link between the questions and you can solve them. Also, the formulas of all the chapters should be on your fingertips, and you can do so when you revise them from the formula book that you have made. In class 12, you need to practice the derivations of formulas as they are quite lengthy and tricky, but when you practice them again and again, you will remember them and they are important. Also, you need to practice questions from all the chapters. Don't skip any chapter. You need to have some basic idea of any chapter, like the chapters like electromagnetic waves, alternating current. People tend to leave those chapters, but you don't have to leave those chapters. At least do some questions and have a basic idea of what that chapter is all about. So if a question is asked and it is easy, then you are able to solve that question and you won't leave that question in NEET.
Once you're done solving questions from the NCERT, choose one reference book and practice questions from them. Don't make the mistake of buying a lot of books and practicing questions. Stick to NCERT, one reference book, that's more than enough. Due to time constraint, you might not be able to solve all the questions from the different books you bought. So stick to one reference book. Try solving a limited number of questions and not a lot of questions. Then keep revising the questions that you solve. Select a reference book of your choice which has a decent number of questions and conceptual questions, that covers all the concepts from the NCERT. So nowadays what children do is they buy a lot of reference books and they don't complete a single one of them. So it's better that you stick to a reference book a single one of your choice, or you practice the question from the modules given to you from your coaching classes, that will be more than enough.
Read theory from the NCERT line to line, solve questions from exemplar, practice the questions which are given from your school or the coaching institute, do the homework and the assignments regularly. And if you are using an online platform or you are studying from YouTube, then please follow only one channel and don't run after too many channels, because you won't be able to get that much efficiency. So please follow only one channel of your choice that you like, or that you are able to understand the concepts from. Also revise the question from the NCERT or the modules which are given from your coaching institute, and don't forget to solve the solved examples which are given in your coaching institute's module. Solve the example on your own first, and then you can see the answer to cross check it. Also, don't forget to make a mistake book, and you can write your mistakes in that book, so it will be better for you to analyze your mistakes at the end. And don't forget to give mock test on a regular basis, and the mock test, it will create an environment as of NEET, so it will help you a lot when you are giving the actual NEET examination.
Make a list of the chapters and questions that you're weak in and work on that, because repeated revision is the only thing that's going to change your weak points into your strength.
सह लेंगे थोड़ा सा.
And give a lot of mock tests, because practice is the only thing that's going to make you perfect. And find a routine that works for you, and don't just blindly make timetables and not follow those things. And don't also just follow your friends or any YouTube influencer.
बात तो सही है.
So that's it for today's video. We hope you like it and it proves useful to you guys in your NEET preparation. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow our Instagram page. The link will be given in the description down below.